Hey there. So, I'm working on getting this wood back in. And it didn't work out. I couldn't put these crossbars exactly where they're supposed to go because they would have interfered with the gas lines and miscellaneous. That one up there is right where it goes. And obviously this is where it goes. But this one's off. So I'm going to have to drill holes. But these, I can reach underneath here and get these put together. These are... So I salvaged all the old brackets here. So far, my biggest expense is going out and buying bolts, well, nuts and bolts. I had a whole bunch of carriage bolts that I salvaged. So far, I think I got about, how much do I got in this? Well, I got a gallon of clear. That was almost 60 bucks. I didn't have to buy a gallon, but if you buy more than a quart, you might as well buy a gallon. I should probably put lock washers on this stuff. Yes, I should. So, this is just going to be a long process here. And hard to get at, too. Whose plan was this? I don't know how I'm going to get to those. I might have to get underneath the truck. I don't want to get underneath the truck. Shoot. So far, it's not being fun. Oh, there we go. First time I'm going to do that. All right, I got to figure out a system here. Okay, here's my attempt at a system. So I got a washer, lock washer in there, put on the nut. Hopefully I can get it. I should be able to get that underneath there. In theory. Yep, that worked. When you're working by yourself, sometimes you just got to go through some changes. Then you just pull the tape off, which is a lot easier said than done. All right, hold it up there, run that through the tape. Tape stayed on. That's fine. If somebody gets underneath the truck and sees all the blue tape, well, it's good for them. That one started. All right, this is going to be a long process. But at least it'll work. Brother. And no, I can't do anything the easy way. Whatever that might be. Just like that. Stick it on there like that. That worked. Can't say it's the easiest thing to do. Oh, there, I got the tape off that one. That's 2. I've been at this for a couple hours now. It's not fun. It's a lot of little bolts. Now, because this brace, I had to move, so it doesn't line up with these bolts. These bolts are supposed to go through it. Instead, what I'm doing is I'm countersinking a tech screw like this into it. It's not going to show down here, but it's able to pull this down and anchor the bed to the support like it's supposed to be. I originally thought I was going to have to drill it and put a carriage bolt through, which put a carriage bolt there, which would be really hard to get to. Look underneath there. So I can't put that idea. I think that's fine. My trailer, they're bigger, but that's all it's holding my deck down on my trailer. So that's where I'm going. This is not 100% screwed down. It's just kind of getting it in place. But I think it's looking pretty good. Well, let's keep on keeping on. All right, I've been at this all day. I ran out of washers. There's a lot of nuts and bolts. I still got washers to run underneath the two edges here to bolt it down, but 90% of it's done. I think it came out pretty good. Nice and shiny, that's for sure. I'm satisfied with that. It's got a lot of character. And these spots here that were bad, and there's a spot there, little spot there. Boy, you can barely see them. I still got to bolt these down. More washers, but most of it's bolted down. I think that's a good day's work. I'm tired of crawling around the ground, but it's done. I like it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Oh yeah. That's old school there, baby.